Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted. I just haven't had anything to talk about. So anyways, as promised, I am doing another hair video today. There will be lots more of those to follow. So today I'm going to be attempting, we'll see, I'm going to lighten my hair without damaging it. That means I'm not going to be putting straight bleach on it. I have some different little techniques I'm going to try. I do watch a lot of YouTube videos. So I've gotten a lot of good tips from a lot of different people, and I'm going to kind of combine things and see what happens. So, first thing that I discovered that is really, really amazing, and I can't wait to try it, is coconut oil. So I have coconut oil. So this, supposedly, I guess this is going to work really well. My thinking is, though, that it would coat your hair and not allow the other product to soak in. So we'll see how that goes, but it seems like it works really, really well, and it's good for your hair. So I'm going to put this on first. I'm going to leave it on for about an hour, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I have the bag on my head. I saturated it in coconut oil. What I had to do, because they don't tell you this is a solid, so you have to scoop it and put it in the microwave and melt it, and I did it for like a minute and melted it, and then I just kind of, with my hands and a spoon, I just kind of got it on there. So I'm going to let that sit for an hour, and then when I come back, because the whole concept is you're supposed to get your hair damp anyway before you put, I'm doing a bleach bath, okay? So before you put that on there, your hair has to be wet. So this kind of makes it so it's damp, so I could do that. So now, when I come back, we will be doing our mixture, and then I will put everything together, and then we'll put it all on there and see what happens. I'll see you in about an hour. Alrighty, so it has now been an hour, and I'm about to rinse my hair. So before, well, not rinse, take that back. I'm gonna put the bleach crap in my head. Okay, so bleach, this is my favorite lightening packet. I get it at Sally's. It's like $4 or $5. I only have like half a packet left because when I do my roots, I only use half of one. I'm kind of savvy that way. So here we go. Oh, I should not have done that so fast. Okay. And I'm using a 30 developer. You can use 20 or 30. Don't use 40 because that'll really damage your hair. I just have a little thing of the 30 because, yeah. And again, from Sally's. Okay. So you're going to mix the developer and the bleach just like a normal, like you normally would. So I'm going to mix it well. Mix some works. Okay. Okay. And then, that's good. Then you're going to add in shampoo. See? Ooh. That's good. And I still mix. Okay. For the shampoo, I'm using my husband's. So as part of the fading process, you use dandruff shampoo. This helps fade your hair. So it has this zinc and stuff in it, and it helps fade your hair. Also, as part of the process of fading semi-permanent hair colors, normally you wash it in super cold water, and for fading it, you need super hot water. So I wash it in hot water more frequently, and with the shampoo. So let's do it. Oh my gosh. I don't know, I feel like it's got water in it for some reason. I don't think that would hurt it, right? Some people mix water in with their stuff. Why is there water in the shampoo? Ew. Super juicy mixture. Okay. So it's still kind of thick. So I want it to really, really coat my hair. Okay. Let's try this again. Super runny. Okay. Just do it. It's fine. It'll be fine. Good. Okay. Mix. because I want it to be enough. Okay. And so I'm going to get all of this done. And I'm going to put it all over my hair. And then I'm going to let it sit for a little bit longer and process. Okay, so I'm going to put this on my hair. I'll be back. Hey, so I wanted to show you part of the process. So I finally got all the stuff on. I did some of the shampoo as I went to kind of make sure it was super lathery and really got in there good. And I don't know if you can see this. It's already starting to process. And it's blue. My purple turned blue. Okay. The good thing is I have a shipment of Arctic Fox hair color that I should be getting today or tomorrow. I'm super excited about. With that, I can fix this mess because, as you know, today is Valentine's Day. And yeah, so we're going out on Friday. So this has to be fixed by Friday. That's the whole thing. I wanted to do it so it would be good for when we go out on our date and it would be fresh and good. And it's definitely blue. It's lightening a lot. Oh my gosh. So this is good. I'm gonna put my bag, courtesy of Target, back on my head. And that is going to process it for, I don't know. I mean, I guess I'll leave it on for 30 minutes and check it and see how it does after 30 minutes. I think I can leave it for 45 minutes or so if I need to afterwards. And then I'm going to rinse it and show you guys what's going on. Let me show you something real quick. So, as part of any time you use bleach, always use some kind of repairing stuff, okay? Again, this is a packet I got at Sally's. I don't know, it lasts me a couple of uses, and I use a good amount of conditioner when I do it. So once I rinse all of this, I'm going to put the conditioner in afterwards, because between the bleach and the dandruff shampoo, it may dry out my hair some. So to fix any damage or to make sure that it is nice and soft and it doesn't cause any damage, I'm going using this repair stuff. It's only like 99 cents at Sally's, so I'm going to use this. We'll see the final result. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the final result. I cannot believe how much it lightened after one treatment. Like, this is absolutely amazing, and I have I really believe that the coconut oil had a lot to do with it, because this is awesome. So, I have some green spots and I have some purple spots. It's not all even and all that, but it's fine. I'm going to be recoloring it with Virgin Pink from Arctic Fox, which will be another video. And as soon as I get this stuff, which I said it should be tomorrow, I should get the shipment of stuff. And then I'll make a new video and share that link down below in the description. But if you guys like how this turned out and you think it was helpful, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because like nobody watches me. But you know what? I will keep persevering and I will keep posting videos. And I hope you like it. So I think it worked pretty good. Alrighty, thanks. Bye.